Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Yesterday when I went to the store, my eyes fell on this green chili and I thought definitely I need to pick this up. So today's video is going to be a spicy, tangy, super yummy milagai bhaji or the mirchi vada or the chili fritters. You can find the milagai bhaji or the mirchi vada in every part of India, but the filling will vary. Today I am making the milagai bhaji with two components as a stuffing. So let's get started. We need to keep this portion intact so that it will help us while dipping it and putting it in the oil for frying. We'll make a slit like this. And we need to remove this portion. We take out as much as possible. Like this. Now let's do the filling. The filling that we're making today has two components. The first component, we'll have some tamarind extract. It's pretty thick. I've just soaked some tamarind and squeezed out the juice and then passed it through a sieve so that it's nice and smooth. To this we'll add in some chili flakes. You can add according to your taste. Some salt and some roasted cumin powder. We'll give this a good mix. This is ready. Now let's do the second component. Into a pan, I've heated about 2 tablespoons oil. We'll add in 1 finely chopped onion. Once the onions are slightly done, we'll add in some ginger garlic. We'll add in some chili powder. I've taken Kashmiri chili powder because it will give a nice color. A pinch of turmeric powder and a little bit of fennel powder. Now this is completely optional. If you want to add, you can add this, otherwise you can leave it out. We'll add in 2 mashed potatoes. And some salt. Each component will have its own salt, so just add enough salt for the potato. We'll give this a good mix. The second component of the filling is ready. Now let's start with the batter. I've taken 2.5 cups of chickpea flour. To that, I'm adding half cup of rice flour. Now if your chilies are not as long as this, you can take little less chickpea flour. I'm adding some turmeric, some salt and a little bit of baking soda. This will add to the crispness. We'll add in a little ginger garlic and water. We'll give this a good whisk. The batter is ready. If your batter becomes very thin, add some more chickpea flour If it is very thick, add some water. We just need to coat it. I added about 2 cups of water. Now let's fill in the chilies. Into this cavity, we'll pour in the tamarind mixture, about a spoon, and then with a small spoon we'll fill in the potato mixture. We fill it like this. Now sometimes the skin is so smooth, when you dip it into the batter will not stick to it. So before we put it into the batter, we just roll it on chickpea flour, at least the green portion, lightly. Now we can dip it into this batter. Let's fry this. When the oil is medium hot, not too hot, we'll drop in the stuffed chilies. We'll not overcrowd it because the chilies are very long. We'll cook it until it is nice and golden. See, it is coated so well. We can finish up the others like this.